Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to customize the looks, themes, icons of any Ubuntu operating system. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly you need to open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T on your computer keyboard, and in the terminal you need to type command sudo apt install genome cell dash extensions. So you need to type this command. Now after typing this command, hit enter. Now type your computer password, hit enter. So you can see in my case I have already installed this application. So if you have not installed, then you install it. So the next thing what you need to do, once again you need to type command sudo apt install space genome dash tweak space tool. So you need to type this command again. So after that hit enter. So you can see once again I have already installed this application to genome tweak tool. So you install it, and lastly once more type sudo apt install space genome dash menus. So you can type this one, then after that hit enter. So these two I have already installed, as you can see here. So install these three applications firstly using a terminal. So once you are done with this, so we'll jump with the second step. So for the second step, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser, and you need to visit to this website named as extensions.genome.org. I'll be providing this website link to in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website directly. So once you visit to this website, you can see its web page. So here you can see a login. Just tap on it. So as I'm already using it, so I've already created an account. So if you does not have any account in the website extensions.genome.org, then click on register and follow it and create your free account. So after registering, what you need to do, type your username and password and click on login. So after logging in, what you need to do is here I will show you some useful extensions so that you can customize the looks, themes and icons of your Ubuntu OS. So first thing, a very useful extensions you can install is dash to dock. As you can see here, dash to dock. So how you can install it? Just you need to turn this on, and you will be asked to click on install. So it's being installed. So how you can control it? So let me show you. So you can search in the applications here by typing tweaks. So you can see application name is tweaks. Just click on it or run it. So here you can see extensions. Just select it. Now under the extensions you can see here dash to dock. So to customize, you can click on this settings icon. So here you can see your various options to customize your dash to dock. As you can see, I'm already using this dashboard, using this dash to dock. And when you have installed firstly you will see this dash to dock in the left side. So you can see in here, and you will see like the panel fully this way, right? So using this you can customize the panel positions, locations, like if you want a bottom, if you want a short size dashboards, then you can customize using this dash to dock. And even you can change the transparency of the background everything in here. So you can change the size of the opacity, everything here. So I'm not going to talk much details about this particular extension, so you can try it yourself and customize depending upon your needs. So once you are done with this, so once again we'll move to the website. So next useful thing that you can install is, if you want a Windows operating system like start menu, so for that you can download one application named as Arc Menu. So you can see in the bottom line, the first line is being the development has been stopped. So to use the ongoing Arc Menu, just click on the second option. So you can see here once again. So let me show you a preview. So you can get a Windows operating like start menu. So you can, in this way you can download and install in the similar way just by turning on, and will be asked to click on install. So I'm not going to do it again, so you can just follow the similar steps. Then once you install and turn it on, then you will directly get a start menu options, and you can use this start menu. So the next, again I will give you some more extension names so that it will make it useful for you. Once again you can search for dash to panel. What this dash to panel does is, suppose you can see here, if you want a Windows operating system like taskbar, then you can use this dash to panel. So you can bring the dashboard, so you can see my dashboard right now here. So you can make the dash to panel like a taskbar in your Ubuntu operating system by using this dash to panel. So once again you can just turn on and click on install to install this dash to panel. Again I would like to show some more extensions. So after this you can download one very useful application named as Caffeine. So you can see here, suppose while you're working, the computer screen suddenly becomes idle, or it gets suspended, or the screen saver turns on. So using this Caffeine applications, what you can do is your computer screen will turn on continuously, and it don't go to the lock screen, or you don't suspend it, or your screen saver will not be turned on. So as I'm already using, you can see here. So when you can see a smoky icon, just like this smoky icon, and when the smoky icon is off, then means the screen saver will be turned on. And when I on this Caffeine, then you can see a smoky icon on the cup, so the screen saver will be turned off. So when you are working continuously and keeping your computer idle for some minutes or some seconds, then your computer will still, that is the computer screen will still remain active. So you can use this if you're in a need of such applications. So once again we'll move back, we'll search some more extensions. So if you in a need of weather informations, then you can search for weather, and you can select this applications weather. So you can see here this weather applications will be shown in the panel. So it is very useful if you want to track or check the weather of every day of your respective locations, then you can use this weather applications too. Again, once again I will like to show few more extensions like cover flow, alt and tab. So you can see here this cover flow alt and tab will change the preview of your open or running programs. Say right now I'm not using this, so let me show you how the alt and tab looks right now. So you can see my alt and tab is a simple one, but if you want a Mac OS like alt and tab, then you can install this cover flow, and you can turn on and install this too. So once again we'll move back, and few more extensions I'm gonna show, like dynamic panel transparency. So what this dynamic panel transparency does is, you can see here right now, you can see our panel right now, you can see in the above, right? So it's not transparent, right? But if you want to make it transparent like the Mac OS, then you can use this application named as dynamic panel transparency. So let me show you just by turning it on. And what I need to do is, for this what I need to do, I need to open the tweaks again and go to the extensions. Now here you need to select this dynamic transparency, just turn it on as I've already turned it on. Now select this settings. Now here you can see background. What you can do is, if you just decrease this, then let's see the transparency is gone or not. So we'll just try to decrease this. So you can see the panel has been completely become transparent, right? So in this way you can make the panel transparent. So in this way you can make the panel transparent. So if you're in need of this kind of applications, then you can install this dynamic panel transparency. So if we change back, so just wait, so it will change back to the original one. So I don't need right now, so I'm just turning it off. So once again we'll move back to the website. So one more useful extensions you can use is user themes. So you can see here user themes. This is very needy extensions. If you want to use customized themes or icons, then please do install this user themes in your Ubuntu OS. So you can install this important extensions if you really want to customize your Ubuntu OS. So I forgot to mention one more extensions which might be useful for you. You can just type internet speed. If you are in a need of internet speed tracking, then you can just use this net speed. As you can see, the net speed, it will be shown in the panel. So you can use this net speed too, or you can use one more application. So let me show you. You can use this internet speed meter too. If you just need a upload and download speeds only, you can use this both internet speed meter and the net speed meter also. So these are my favorite choice of extensions. You can install lots of extensions which you want to install. So it depends upon personal choice. So what I find very useful, so I have just shown those few extensions. So you can install any one of them, or you can install others also if you are in a need of respective extensions. So the second step is completed. So the third thing what you need to do is, now you need to visit to this website named as genome.org. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. So here you can see a download options. So just click on download and download this icon pack. You can download lots of icon packs. Here in the left hand side you can see lots of icon packs. You can choose and charge of respective icon packs, but as I'm using this icon packs and I find it really beautiful and very stunning to look at, so I'm just showing you the icon pack. As you can see, I'm using the same icon pack right now. So you download and install it, and then once again I'm providing a theme which I'm using right now is the and bloody. So you can see here download, and you can install this and bloody tar. You can install any one, you can download all the themes all are free, so don't worry, all are free of course. So you download and install these two respective files. I'll be providing both the website link for the icons and for the themes also in the video description, so you can click there and directly log into this website. So after downloading, what you need to do is, so you need to open the files firstly and locate to the home. As you can see the home, you can see home. So here you can see 3 horizontal lines. Just tap on it and you can see here show hidden files. Just turn it on. So after turning it on, you can see here one folder name as .local, right? Just tap on it to open it. Now here you can see a share. Just tap on it. Now here you need to find 2 folders named as icons, as you can see here, and a themes. If you don't find any one of this folder, then don't worry, you can create just by right clicking and new folder, and you can name it as icons and themes. So if you don't find either of this folder or one folder is missing like themes, then you can just create a new folder naming it as themes. So once you have created the folders, or if the folder is available, then no need to create again. And but if the respective this one of both that folders is missing, then you can create any one of them. So now next thing what you need to do, you need to locate the files which you have downloaded. So just open that file, unzip it just by right clicking and extract those files. So let me show you. I have some files. So let me go to the files. So here I have some themes. So just unzip, say you have downloaded those files, just click on extract. You can just click on extract, just extract those files and you will get this kind of folder. So what you need to do is, say if it is a theme folder, then just open the theme folder and just drag and drop the theme folder on the themes folder icon. So just like this, as I've already using this and bloody, and I've already transferred my and bloody theme here. So in the similar manner, if you want to use customized icons, then you can just drag and drop in the icons pack. So don't transfer or copy the themes in the icons folder, so then it will not detect your theme folder if you wrongly placed in the icon folder. So themes should be placed in the theme folder and icons should be placed in the icon folder. So remember this thing. So once you have copied and transferred to the respective folders, now what you need to do is once again open the tweaks. Now go to the appearance. Now you can see here, say you can see here the bar, window bar. If I change this, so you can see the Windows bar will change to different themes. So if you change to your respective needs, then you can see. Even if you want to change the cursor, you can just select the cursor. You can change the cursor styles also. Everything you can change. So let me show you. I will change something cursor different. Even if you want to change the icons, say you can see the icons will be changed. And if you want to use the icons, then you can see here. Even if you want to change the cell, that is the shell, you can see here the cell. If you want to change the cells, then you can just use the default one also. Even you can change the sound of your Ubuntu OS. So in this way you can customize the looks and themes, icons of your Ubuntu OS using this process very easily. So if you find any difficulty in understanding this tutorial, then feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you're new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please click on the thumbs like button, and lastly, thanks for watching.